canst not hit it, hit it, hit it. Thou canst not hit it, hit it, hit it. Thou canst not hit it, hit it, hit it. Thou canst not hit it, my good man.
Welcome again to another day, another time, another flat challenge. Let's see what our lovely little losers have gotten themselves into for this exciting installment in their lives.
Give me a B. E and N. And what is the thing?
Bird nuts.
What?
It's like 20 questions, but the questions are all about birds.
Like New Zealand birds?
All birds. Okay, that's where we're going to have to stop because that, believe me, that was excruciating. Not because of the game was fine. The game was a great idea, Ben, okay? Don't worry. No, it was the pure lack of bird knowledge that was letting us down on that one. Not Ben's bird knowledge, he has an aviary of bird knowledge, especially on flamingos. No, it was everyone else. You know what? I'm just going to spare you. Let's skip ahead to this.
Could you just tell us?
Alright, the answer to the question is the capercaillie.
Is that even a bird?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I think we need to draw another challenge.
Oh, yes! But the rules!
Look, oh, Ben, Lord of all that is feathered and fluffy, and Emperor of the challenges, can you please spare our tiny bird-sized brains from their lack of bird-related facts? And can we please draw another challenge from the box?
Do something, or something really drastic is going to happen, okay?
Okay, I'm going to succumb to Peter's flattery, but not your threat.
Alrighty. No! Oh,
Is
no!
it bad?
Oh, it's another bird challenge. I hate you, Ben.
This one's not me. I can barely read this. Chicken? No, chicken!
Oh,
Ben, please, no.
yeah, that's not a
Please,
bird-related
no.
challenge.
The Chicken Challenge is, in fact, an all-inclusive vegan-friendly game that has no actual chickens in it whatsoever. Anyway, the flat is split into two sets of people, and because this is the kissing edition, they have to lean in and kiss one another. The first person to pull away loses. The winner, meanwhile, goes on to the second and final rounds. Let's see how they got on. You, Freds, why do we have to go first?
You don't think you can take some sweet, sweet loving from me? You better give up now and I'll win by forfeit.
No, I'm gonna waste you, Kingston. I'm gonna smooch the hell out of you.
No, Ben, no, you don't smooch me. You smooch me, you lose.
Wait, what?
You're going down, Benny.
I think the thing we all need to remember here is that this particular game of chicken has all the tensions of a real romantic situation and none of the actual romance.
No feelings involved.
Yes, it is, as we must always remember, a game.
I think it's important our viewers know that.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Like anyone in this flat could actually have romantic feelings for one another. Let the first round of chicken commence. Thanks, Benji. You're welcome, Ben. You know, Freddy, there's something I wanted to say to you for quite some time. Or should I say, Lauren?
Oh, no. Don't play dirty that early on. Benedict Samuel Finnegan Hobbs. I'm envisaging a whirlwind romance with us. I see long walks on the beach at sunrise. I see our 2.5 children growing up to be worldwide football stars. But only if you give me this kiss.
Oh, Freddy, that sounds awful. Where are the bathtubs? Where are the children doing what they want to do rather than what you want them to do?
Ben, that is ridiculous. Everyone wants to play football. Not as much as I want to kiss you right now.
I wish you would, I wish you would, I wish you would.
Benedict has started to sing Taylor Swift. We know what that means.
He's scared shitless.
Okay, Jonesy, reach the will they or the won't they part of the game.
You can really start to see the fear in their eyes.
Yeah.
You're up next, Donaldson.
Yeah, alright. Oh, now we're setting here the classically overused mouth tentacle tactic, which one player threatens to make the situation worse for the other person if they come any nearer. I'd regard this as a defensive tactic.
Donaldson, I couldn't have put it better myself.
Yeah, fun fact about the tongue, Jonesy, it's over 2 feet long and has over 4,000 nerve endings. Kingston is really tackling some groundbreaking territory here today, folks.
Such agility. It's a real treat to be seeing such fitness and poise and sportsmanship here in the arena today.
Poise is the exact word I'd use.
One of life's rare pleasures.
Okay, now I want to draw the audience's attention.
Kingston takes out round 1. She moves on to the final round, but who will join her? And now, Freddie, we get to sit back and relax and observe as our 2 handsome flatmates mac on each other.
Don't be a dick.
That is literally the millionth time I've heard that. Go!
Right. Ooh, Buffy Balf, you don't stand a chance.
You're all talk and no action, Peter.
I'll give you action.
This early in the game, I can't tell if there's a stronger player. They're now both edging towards each other. Hobbs, I hope you've got both eyes on this. You'll miss the kiss of a century.
I really won't. Not at this rate.
Can you stop hyping this up? It's literally
No.
just kissing.
No comments from the participants to the commentators, please.
What?
Just kiss Balthazar!
I bet you Peter pulls out first.
You'll vacuum my room?
I think you'll find he'll be washing my windows.
Deal. This really is a remarkably slow start. But what a match. Such concentration. Look at that eye contact from Donaldson. I think he's using what I call the don't blink technique to put off the other player.
Ah, but Jones is using the small smirk technique with a bit of knowing glance thrown in. We must remember confidence is everything here.
I quite agree with you, Kingston. I think one of them should try the lean-in tactic. It does help move the game along. This is the moment of truth, Kingston.
Things are about to get interesting, Hobbs. They really are.
Look at them go.
Do you think one of them should be trying the merciful death swoop to put us all out of our misery?
Do you get to enlighten our audience with a description of this technique?
Well, yes, I'm glad you asked. So the thing about the death swoop is it's the classic move and a perfect way to end the game in situations such as this when players become bored.
Perhaps the other person is just too scared to make a move.
Definitely an option. What we guessed is one player taking action and going in for the kill, so to speak.
Going in for the kiss.
Very quickly ending the game in one blow.
Aptly put.
Oh shit, it's Costa. I gotta take this. Looks like you win.
I win! You're washing the windows, Ben! Ha ha!
Stanley Balthazar Jones moves into the final round. The question on everyone's lips: who will win? And it's just me commentating live from the box today. I am genuinely at a loss as to who will win this one. I think we've all found that though Freddie has the brawn and brunt, Balthazar shows a strong streak of being able to tease the other players until they relent. I wonder what's on the cards for this round. Action!
Yay!
And Fred is the winner of that remarkably fast game. Well done, Fred. You win all the praise and glory.
Twice because my windows will be extra clean.
Oh, damn you. Freddie Kingston takes away another flat challenge. The whole League of Little Losers gathered in the kitchen later on for pizza, and rounds of good game were spoken.